Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. So turn on your cameras, everyone. गुड इवनिंग बेटा, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास, फटाफट फटाफट टर्न ऑन कीजिए। चलो शुरू करते हैं क्लास आज की।
Hello, sir.
हेलो आशीष।
Sir, can you send me this meeting pass link, sir, in the chat?
I think meeting link.
Sir, can I? No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
can yes. I think already Ahil have sent you. Yes, sent you that.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So newcomer has joined, Amrita Patnaik. Amrita Patnaik. Hello. Hi. Hi, ma. How are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine.
Yes. Great. Turn on your camera. Ahil Shaikh Mohammed. Shut up. ये क्या कर
Sir,
रहा है?
awning, sir.
Huh? Your camera is on, but I'm unable to see you, man.
Sir, I'm awning 1 second.
अनुदीप मंत्रवादी, तन्वी, आशीष, पटनायक, प्रत्युषा, प्रतिभा।
Yes, sir.
सब लोग टर्न ऑन कीजिए वीडियो फटाफट फटाफट। हाँ, हाय अनुदीप, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, sir.
हाय तन्वी, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, sir.
यस। उद्भव कुछ लगा लिया पीछे, पीछे क्या लग रहा है? वो वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड लग रहा है।
Background देखो.
हाँ, बैकग्राउंड देखो बेटा, क्या क्या डिजाइन पूरा एकदम स्टाइलिश बन रहा है आजकल तो। ठीक है ठीक है, क्या चल रहा है? एक बार एवरीवन लाफ, प्लीज एवरीवन लाफ वंस। सब लोग हंसना चाहिए। अरे यार ये सर क्या पागल हो गया है क्या? क्लास शुरू करते समय हंस, अरे यार सबको हंसना बोलता है। अरे यार मुझे हंसी नहीं आता, तो कहाँ से हंसना? एवरीवन टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास। प्रतिभा, प्रत्युषा, we will start the session. Someone is joining now again. Yes. Yes, welcome to the Chanakya tutorial, Amrita ji. So
Thank you, sir.
yes, now in last class what we have discussed, till what we have discussed in last class? I think we are in sequence, sequence and series, right? If I'm not wrong.
We're doing RD Sharma.
We are doing RD Sharma. Yes. How many have you done with RD Sharma? Ahil, salam alaikum Ahil. भाई थोड़ा तो विश कर दो, वालेकुम सलाम तो बोल दो।
Yes, sir.
ये तो बनता है ना थोड़ा। आकिल, अरे ये दोनों आहिल ही है। आकिल कहाँ गया?
Sir,
आहिल
I'm there.
कौन है? हाँ आकिल, सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum salam, sir.
Yes. How is the Josh? How is the Josh, आकिल? अरे भाई आपने मीट में हो, म्यूट पे हो। यू आर इन म्यूट।
Yes, sir.
अरे म्यूट अनम्यूट करके बोलना। हाई सर चिल्ला रहे हो तो कहाँ से सुनूं मैं?
Sir, मेरा नाम change करो ना.
अच्छा, यू आर इन म्यूट मैन एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट हाई सर। कहाँ से मुझे कहाँ सुनाई देता है मुझे? इफ यू आर म्यूट।
Sir.
यस बताओ बेटा।
Sir, मेरा नाम change करो ना. देखो गलत.
आपका नाम चेंज करूं?
सर अकेले मेरे डिवाइस से ज्वाइन किया सर।
आकिल देखो कर दिया बेटा मैंने। चलो ठीक है, कर दिया, देख लो। चलो शुरू करते हैं अभी। Let's get started now. I think Amrita ji, you just have to do one thing. You just go to the videos whichever we have. Please refer the all the videos, and just if you have any doubts, you can just ask those doubts actually. Now we are going to continue with the thing whichever we have following with
Sir?
on everyday basis. Yes.
I have a request. Whenever you post the class videos on YouTube, can you put them in one playlist so that it doesn't get mixed up?
Everything is in playlist only. Why can't you see that? I'm putting everything in one playlist so that you can just.
I couldn't find it. I'll check again.
Yes, every day I do that. Chalo, so 1 minute. Let me share the screen. Chalo. Amrita ji, have you done with your sequence series in your school?
Yes, sir.
So sequence and series. So what is the formula for sum of first and natural numbers?
So, n is equal to an is equal to n plus.
No,
n
that
minus.
is general term formula. That is general term formula. Na? So I'm asking for sum of first and natural numbers. So n into n plus 1 by 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is the sum of the squares of first and natural numbers? Ahil? भाई आहिल, कैन यू हियर मी? अरे ये कहाँ देख रहा है, मैंने इसको बोला रहा हूँ. आहिल जी, टेल मी द आंसर. आशीष, what is sum of squares of first and natural numbers? Come on, tell me.
sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6.
N into
n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6.
अच्छा सही है. N into n plus 1, can you please come back again?
N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6.
What is the sum of cubes of first and natural numbers?
N into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square.
N into n plus 1 divided by
2 whole square.
Good.
Divided by 2 whole square.
Yes. What is the general term of AP? Ahil? Ahil, can you hear me? भाई आहिल को मेरा आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है. आशीष, not आशीष. Akil, are you here?
Yes, sir,
Akil?
can you hear me?
Akil, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Akil.
Yes, sir. Tn equals to sir. Sir,
टर्न ऑन कीजिए आपका वीडियो, टर्न ऑन. बताइए जनरल टर्म का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d.
ये क्या होता है? व्हाट इज ये देयर?
A,
हाँ ये, नॉट बी, ये. हाँ
sir, first term
हाँ. डी क्या होता है?
common term.
कॉमन मैन,
Common difference.
कॉमन डिफरेंस. वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड. चलो, now let's get started that. So we are in RD Sharma, to RD Sharma problems. I think we have done it all, different types of problems from RD Sharma. 1 second, guys. I think we have one. I think एक मिनट, just a minute. Let me settle this pen. अरे ये क्या कर रहा है? एक मिनट. Everyone, please revise the notes. क्या कर रहा है? I think first 2 exercises we have solved, isn't it? Shut up.
I'm not keeping note of the RD Sharma exercise. I don't know about the exercise number.
ओके ओके ओके, अच्छा 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 अच्छा, फाइन फाइन, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. चलो, विल सॉल्व कपल ऑफ थियोरेटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है, आ रहा है, समझ आ रहा है? थियोरेटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स, आई एम जस्ट सर्चिंग फॉर. Guys, what is the common difference? What do you mean by arithmetic progression? Any one of you? Tanvi will give the answer.
Yes, arithmetic progression means the difference between two consecutive terms is constant.
Okay. What is common difference, Pratyusha?
So it's the difference between two consecutive terms.
तो ये arithmetic progression क्या? What is the common difference of arithmetic progression? Same. Tell me. No problem. Tell me the answer. Correct. आपने सही बोला, बता रही हो. Come on.
The difference between all the terms in the AP should be same.
AP should be क्या होना चाहिए? Same होना चाहिए.
Yes.
Difference, common difference जो A2 minus A1, तो second term minus first term, third term minus second term, कोई भी any difference of, I mean you take any two consecutive terms, उसका difference निकालो, constant आना चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं common difference. आया समझ? ठीक है, आ रहा है ना समझ? हेलो, चलो. नाउ वेरी 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 गुड क्वेश्चंस. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है मेरे पास अभी. देखो उसको कैसा उठाएंगे, उसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे एक बार, सॉल्व करके we'll solve all the questions and we'll write all the solutions of those questions. Let us see how many of you will solve the questions quickly. फटाफट 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 solve करके बताना मुझे. ठीक है, चलो. Yes. Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, ये कहाँ से दिख रहा है? Look at this here. हाँ, first you solve the first question. 68th term of the AP कितना दिया है? 7, 10, 13. 68th term पूछ रहा है. He's asking for 68th term of the series called AP. 7, 10, 13. He is asking for 68th term. So first 68th term find out करने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए बताओ.
Sir, it's not asking the 68th term. It's asking whether 68 is a term.
हाँ, ये 68. अच्छा 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 अच्छा, हाँ वो पूछ रहा है, not 68. Very good observation. Whether 68 is a term of that particular series or not. That is what he is asking. Check it out once. How can I check it out? Amrita ji, if you are not understanding anything, you can ask me freely.
Okay, sir.
No problem. ठीक है, we'll go slow. We'll learn everything. We'll make sure that we are learning each and everything. The thing is, you have to ask. ठीक है.
Sir, I got the answer. It's not a term.
Yes. Simple. कैसा like how did you solve that?
I took A is equal to 7. We know D is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then we use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of AN, 68 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And then just simplify it. It wasn't coming as a whole number, so we know that it's not in AP.
True. Look at this here. So first, the first term, I know the first term. What is the first term, Amrita? What is the first term here?
7.
7. Very good. So first term denoted by what? A is equal kitna? 7. I so much. What is the common difference? D. What is the common
3.
difference? See,
3.
10 minus 7, which gives me 3. Very good. So now let any you just consider. Now he is asking for whether 68 is a term of that particular given AP series or not. Is asking. Let us. I do not know that. I do not know the last term. So let us consider AN. मेरा लास्ट टर्म मैंने मान लिया 68 भाई 68. Now we have to check it out. मुझे देखो अब 68 है मेरे पास 68 तो 60 AN right. What is the formula for AN here? 68 is equal. Can I write now? Can I say that AN formula is what? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 68. N what is N here? What is N here? I have to find out that. All right, AN is equal to 68, right? AN is equal to 68. So now, A, what is A here? 7. What is N here? I have to find out. Minus 1. D is what here? 3 is equal to 68. What is N now? What I'm getting? N is what? Find it out. 7 plus 3N minus 3. 3N minus 3 is equal to 68. So let us solve here. So 3N minus 3 is equal to 61. 3N is equal to 64. N is equal to 64 by 3. Now I'm getting 64 by 3. So now, see here, AN means nth term. All right. So 64 by 3 I'm getting. So 68 he has given. So 68 is not a term of the given series. I have so much koi doubt. So look at this. We have to get natural numbers basically. We have to get natural numbers. We are getting fraction, isn't it? Simply, we are not, it is a fraction. But the given series is what? The given series is what? All natural numbers we have here. And he's asking for 68. So I didn't get any kind of, integer here. I'm getting something called, fraction, decimal number. All right. So the given 68 number is a not term of the given AP series. Clear? Now let us solve one more question. Can you please solve the second one? Make it fast. Second one.
Answer.
What's the answer?
It is not in AP.
Very simple. Same procedure you have to find it out. Same procedure you have to follow for. Clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Next one, minus 150. Tell me minus 150 whether it's an AP or not.
It is.
Check it out. Check it out. Same procedure. Yes, tell me guys. Have you understood? Anyone? Anyone has doubts here? No doubts, isn't it? Clear? First, suppose I'll give you here. I'll give you one more question here. देखो मैंने और एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. I'm just giving one more question. I'm giving one more question that. एक मिनट. The question is, which term of the AP is is 248. Which term of the AP? What AP? What series given? This is arithmetic progression. This is a series. 5, 5 they are adding. So which term is going to be the 248? Which term? That's the question. I know that which term. Look at this. How can I find out? Let me teach you one sum here. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. I know that. This formula is used for what? For finding nth term, isn't it? Isn't it? So let us consider this is my nth term. 248. Now I have to find which term. What term? I have to find out. I have to find out what? What I have to find out?
Which term of the AP?
Which term an?
Which term? Look at what is a here. What is a? What is a? 3. What is d? Common difference 5. Isn't it? Look at substitute here. An is what? 248 is equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? 5. I have to find out n. N, right? N means what? What number? I mean what number? So 248 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. So 5n is equal to 248. Here 3 minus 5, how much? Minus 2. If you shift this side, it will become plus 2. 5n is equal to 250. 5 ones are 550s are. N is equal to 50. So 50th term. What's that? Therefore 240 is the 50th term. Now let us verify whether it is correct or not. A50 is equal to A plus A. What was my A plus N 50 minus 1 D. D is what? 5. So A50th term is equal to 3 plus how much? 250 minus 5. So 245. So look at this now. A50 is equal to 245. Yes or no? Verified. Clear? I'm verifying. Amruta Patnaik, are you able to understand? Feel free to ask the doubts. You are a new student. Don't think that अरे यार सर को क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछना है क्लास में क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो अपर क्या बोलता है उसको क्या बोलता है यार it's a crime, so don't think like that. Everyone can ask the doubts, so
Sir,
everyone
will
will
you
ask
take
the
quiz?
doubts. Look at this. Sorry, I didn't get you. See what I'm asking, which term of the AP, which term of this AP is 248 I'm asking. So look at this, this is all the calculations I'm doing. So I got n value as 50. So if I verify that A50 means in place of n, if I substitute 50, so I'm getting again, oh, one second. I'm getting A50 as 248. So which means my answer is correct. I verified. So answer whichever I got, that is absolutely correct. Clear? Any doubts? Hello, any doubt, beta?
No.
Simple. Shall we move forward now? Shall I give one more question similarly? Because I'll give one.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me which term of the AP 4, 9, 14 dash 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 is 254. 254 is what term and which term? Either 4th term, 5th term, 6th term, 100th term, what kind of term is that?
So it's 51st term. 51st.
Yes, everyone got the answer? How many have you got? An is equal to A plus n minus 1d. This is the, let us consider that an given 254. A is given 4, n minus 1 into d, how much? 5. Find out n. 50. Which term is that?
51st term.
51st term. So now verify it. Verifying. So verify, how to verify this? N is what I got 51. So into A plus, what is my A? What is my value of A?
4.
4 plus 51 minus 1 into 5. So A51 is equal to 4 plus 50 into 5, 250. Look at this. Am I getting 254 or not? Again back. Hence my 251
Yes.
is 254. Correct. The answer whichever I got, correct. Clear? Now, is it clear with everyone? Any doubts from this? Any doubts from this question? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Let me give one more question here. Simple question. देखो. AP given. AP series given that 1 root 2, 3 root 2, 5 root 2, dash, 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 dash. Find 10th term. 18th term. Find 18th term. Find 18th term of this. Very simple. 18th term. He's asking for 18th
Sir, I
term.
got the answer.
Root 2 plus. Very good. N. N means 18 minus 1. Plus. Circle not plus D. D. What is D here? What is D here?
D is 2 root 2.
2 times of root 2. How? Any doubts in writing this stuff? Hello. A is what? Root 2. D is what? A2 minus A1. So what? 3 root 2 minus 1 root 2, how much? So 2 times of root 2. Right? So A18 is equal to root 2 plus 17 times of root 2. How much? A18 is equal to what? What A18 is equal to? What exactly A18 is going
18
to?
root 2.
Huh?
No,
Sorry,
sir.
18.
It's 17 into 2 root 2.
So 34. 17 into 2 root 2, which means root 2 plus 34 root 2, which means 35 root 2 is the answer. Clear? This is my 18th term. Therefore, 18th term is equal to what? 35 root 2. Any doubt here? Any doubts? Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward or not? Yes. Solve the fourth one. Look at, solve this question. Amrita ji, are you able to follow class? Follow the class?
Yes, sir.
Understanding everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Next. How many terms are there in the AP? Make it fast. How many terms are there? We have to find how many terms, means n value you have to find out. N value you have to find out. Make it fast.
It's 13.
It's 13. So how many terms? The first question I'm asking for. 7, 10, 13, dash, 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 43. He's asking for what? How many terms? So last term is what? Last term is AN here. AN is equal to 43. A is equal to 7. D is equal to what? 10 minus 7. D is equal to what? 3. D I got everything. So I have to find out n value. Can't I find it easily? 43 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D into 3. So 43 is equal to 7 plus 3n minus 3. So 3n is equal to 3n is equal to 43 plus 4. 3n is 47. What is the answer now? Sorry, 47. 47. 47 by 3 is equal to n. Clear? Not 47. We make a calculation mistake. Hey. Acha. So 43. Here is equal to 4 plus 3n. So 3n is equal to 39. N is equal to 39 by 3. N is equal to 13. How many of you are clear with this point? How many
Clear,
of you are
sir.
clear? Is it clear?
Clear. Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts? So हम लोग अभी क्या करते हैं? You have to solve second, third, fourth as a homework.
Sir, I think second question is wrong.
Second question is wrong.
Oh, no, never mind. It's minus 2 plus, right? Yeah.
चलो हम लोग क्या करते हैं अभी? शाबा शाबा, बल्ले बल्ले. अरे यार, चलो, shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
चलो, next fifth question. If the first term of AP is 5, the common difference is 3, the last term is 18, now find the number of terms. अरे यार, कितना simple लड्डू का सवाल है. Everyone should tell me the answer. See here, now I'll give the answer. Tushar, are you here? Tushar. 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 Are you here, Usharji? Tell me the answer. Make it fast. Amrita Patnaik, you should also give the answer. Make it fast. Amrita will give the answer. Yes. Yes, Amrita ji, come on, make it fast.
Sir, is it 26?
26. How did you solve it? सही है. A value given that 5. D only given that 3. And last term मतलब AN given that 80. Now can't you find out by using the formula? So 80 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. Same वही तो रामायण था, महाभारत. Look at it, 3n is equal to कितना? 78. n is equal to 26. खत्म. 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6 जा. ठीक है, आया समझ? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Very simple. Next. So 6th and 11th term, 6th and 17th term of AP. 6th and 17th term of AP are this one and this one. Then 40th term is asking for. 6th term given that. Very beautiful question. He is asking for A 40th term. Wonderful question. Make it fast. Now, Tanvi will give me the answer. No one should give the answer. Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Make it fast, beta.
So is it 87?
It is 87. Huh? Let us check it out. What about others? Have everyone got 87? Look at this. See here, A 6th term can be written as how? A 6th is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 19. Clear? A17 can be written as what? A plus 16D is equal to 41. Let us consider equation number 1, equation number 2. Solve this. Subtract. A gone. तो कितना मिला? 11D. ये कितना मिला? बताओ. 20, isn't it? Not 20, 22. Minus 22. Minus gone. D is equal to 2. If D is equal to 2, what I'm going to get? Tell me, D is equal to 2 from the first equation. A plus 5D is equal to 19. तो देखो A plus 5 into D कितना मिला? 19 मिला. तो A is equal to मिला मुझे 9 मिला. So I got A value, D value. Can't I find out A 40th value? Won't I be able to follow? All right. Look at this here.
Sir, can you explain again, sir? I'm not able to understand.
A 40th is equal to A plus n minus 1 into yes, look at this. A 19th given, A 6th value given, A 6th term is this one given. A 6th matlab A plus n minus 1D, A plus n minus 6 minus 1D, 5D is equal to 19. I got first equation. Clear? What is my second equation? A 17th given as A 17th is equal to 41 given, which means A 17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1, 16 into D is equal to 41. So if I solve 1 and 2 equations, what I'm going to get? If I subtract, I'll be getting D value.
11D.
I got D value as 2. If I substitute D value from the first equation, I got A value as 9. Now I'm finding A 40th value. A 40th means A plus n minus 1D. 40 minus 1 into D. So A 40 is equal. What is A value here? 9 plus. What is
9.
39 into D? D value is what here? 9. So A 40 is equal to 9 plus 39 into 9.
D is equal to 2.
D is equal to 2. Sorry. D is equal to 2 here. 39 into 2, how much? 78.
28.
So 78 plus 9, how much?
87.
87.
7.
तो ये होगा तन्वी, your right answer. Your answer is right answer. Wonderful. Is it clear with everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's move forward now. Solve this question. 9th term of AP is 0. Prove that 29th term is double the 19th term. Make it fast. Now, Pratyusha will give me the answer. Tell me, Pratyusha. Sir, everything is there. We have to prove. No, prove that is our favorite question, sir. Whatever the prove that questions are there, our favorite. उधर ही आंसर मिलता है. कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. आब्राकदाब्रा बनाना, लास्ट में हेंस प्रूव लिखना, ऐसा नहीं करना. ठीक है? बनाना. बताओ अमृता जी, अमृता बोल रहा हूँ, क्या बोल रहा है? प्रत्युषा जी, come on. Done?
So 1 minute, sir.
Huh? 1 minute, huh? Take your time.
Sir,
Hmm. What happened?
sir, why is it not coming?
My voice is not coming.
Sir, are you talking?
I'm not talking. I'm asking. I give the time enough time. No time up. Time up. Look at this ninth term of the AP is 0, which means A9 is equal to 0 given. ठीक है, prove that. 29th term of the 29th term of 29th term is double to 19th term. How can we do this? Yes, come on. If you are not able to solve that, I'll solve. No problem. Look at this. First, मुझे क्या देखना चाहिए? I just told you that. कोई भी ले लो. A, what is the sequence? A plus D, A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, comma dash 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 dash. ये क्या है? AP में है. These are in AP, right? This का first term. What is the first term? What is the first term? A. What is the common difference? Is equal to D, isn't it? I know that. What is my nth term? Ninth term. Given that, given ninth term. Ninth term is what? A9 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Alright? Alright. N, what is N here? 9. So 9 minus 1D. So 8D. A9 is equal to A plus 8D. Clear? Isn't it? Ninth term, how much
Yes, sir.
given? So ninth term is given that given A9 is equal to 0 given ना. आया समझ? A9 is equal to 0. तो A9 is 0. 0 is equal to A plus 8D. और आ रहा है, समझ आ रहा है? हो. हाँ, A plus 8D given. So A is equal to what now? Minus 8 times of D. इसको मान लो कोई इक्वेशन नंबर 1. एंड 29th टर्म किया है? 29th टर्म. 29th term, which means A29 is equal to A plus 28D, isn't it? And 19th term, he's talking about 9th term. Yes, 29th term and 19th term. He's talking about 19th term. देखो 19th term में क्या है? A plus 18D. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
नहीं sir.
No, sir.
So A value I know here. Let me substitute. A value क्या है? A29 is equal to A value is what here? Minus 8D plus 28D. Clear? So A29 is what? A29 is what? 20D. 20D. Isn't it? I am substituting this value here. आ रहा है समझ? So A29 is 20D. तो देखो A19 क्या है मेरा? A19 is what? Minus 8D plus 18D. खत्म, आंसर खत्म. 10D. देखो कंपेयर करो दोनों. कंपेयर these two values. What I got now? मुझे ये ले लो बेटा, इसको मान लो कोई, हाँ, इसको मान लो कोई सेकंड नंबर इक्वेशन, इसको मान लो कोई थर्ड नंबर इक्वेशन. देखो मुझे लिखना है अभी, therefore from equation number 2 and 3 I could conclude that A29 is equal to 2 times of A19. मुझे यही तो प्रूव करना था, yes or no, hence proved. यही तो प्रूव करना था. Look at this, that is what I have to prove. 29th term क्या है? 29th term is equal to double of 19th term. This is what I had to prove, isn't it? This is what I have to prove. Look at this, 29th term means A29 is equal to 2 times of A19. This is what I have to prove, isn't it, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So hence proved, I proved this one. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
हाँ. Solve this question. Make it fast. इसको एक ही मिनट में सॉल्व करना. You should solve this question within a minute. चलो, if 10 times the 10th term of AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term, show the 25th term of the AP is 0. अरे रे रे, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. So A10 is equal to, so 10 into A10 is equal to, इसको ऐसा कीजिए. You have to do this like this. Look at this. क्या दिया है? 10 times of किसका? A10th is equal to 15 times of A15. Solve this beta. How simple it is. A10 is what? A plus n minus 1. n minus 1 मतलब कितना? A
A
plus
plus 9D.
is equal to 15 into A plus 14D. Isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
10A plus 90D is equal to 15A plus 14 into 15, how much?
210.
150 is 210D. So 15A minus 10A is equal to 90D minus 210D. Clear? Isn't it? So 5A is equal to kitna? How much? Minus 2,
Minus 120D.
120D. A is equal to what? Minus 18D.
So minus 24D.
Is 24D, not 20. Is minus 24. This is what the result I got. Now look at this. Here, beta, look at this. Look at this carefully. What he has given? 10th term. We have to prove that. What do you have to prove? We have to show that to prove. To prove. To prove what I have to prove?
A plus 24D is equal to 0.
A 25th is equal to 0. So A plus 24D is equal to 0. Right? So now 24D is what here? I know that A value is what? Minus 24D. Let us consider this as equation number 1. A value is what here? Minus 24D. Isn't it? Hello? From the equation number 1, A value is what? Minus 24D plus 24D is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Hence proved. कोई doubt? कोई doubt? कोई doubt? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Chalo, next question. So guys, 9th question is homework to you all. 9th question, look at this. The homework question. 9th question is homework to you all. So yes, please try solve at home. Okay, try to solve at home, and then let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Chalo, let's retire then. Goodbye.